Alright, I am at Galata Tower and I am in front of Vienna Kavesi, जहाँ से मैंने लेना है Sebastian cheesecake, and then this cheesecake is gonna travel 3 countries. Actually, not three, 2 countries. It's gonna travel from Istanbul to Dubai, and then from Dubai to Lahore. Let's do this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our game has started. We have the cheesecakes in our hand, and now I'm off to the hotel जहाँ से फिर हम जाएंगे to the airport. So let's see if this is going to survive or not. But मेरे दिमाग में भी एक idea है, so I'm gonna hunt for dry ice if I see any pharmacy around, and then I'm thinking to pack it with some dry ice ताकि ये 5 घंटे का सफ़र आराम से निकाल ले, और दुबई तो जाते साथ ही मैंने इसको फ्रीज़ कर देना है. So let's see how it goes. Looking for the pharmacy where I can find dry ice. Let's see how it goes. अपने चीज़ केक को सेव करने के लिए I'm keeping it in front of the AC, and also I've bought ठंडा कैन of a drink जो कि मैंने इसमें डाल दिया ताकि ये ठंडा रहे. And now I'm looking for dry ice. होटल में पहुंच गया हूँ. मैंने एक ठंडा कैन लेके डाल दिया था as you know in the taxi. अब मैं कुछ जा रहा हूँ कि मुझे कोई आइस पैक या ड्राई आइस मिल जाए so that I can somehow try to keep it ठंडा. I'll request in the plane if they can let me keep it in the fridge, but I'm not too sure if that would happen, so I don't want to risk it. So yeah, let's see if I can get it. So last time around इस शॉप से हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें खाई थी, and this time around I was passing by looking for ice pack and I found it. So if you ever pass by here, trust me, this guy makes these kebab filled in bread. It's sort of yeah. He makes amazing roll it. They have a very huge menu, by the way, and it's very fresh. So if you're around, just try their stuff. It's really good. Well, ice pack तो कहीं भी नहीं मिल रहा because I just got to know कि इस्तांबुल में संडे वाले दिन सारी pharmacies बंद होती हैं. Only the big hospitals are open. So I could not find the ice pack, but I bought some big ice pack. Like, I could not find the dry ice. I've bought the ice pack. So I hope this is going to work for me. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens with these cheesecakes.
Hello, my name Adil.
Adil.
What is your name?
Faraz.
Faraz. I love you.
I love you too, Kardesh.
Kardesh.
So we are off to the airport. Cheesecakes are safe and secure so far. I hope they're gonna be fine. And airport is quite far away. हमें कोई घंटा लगेगा जाने में. So yeah, looking forward to getting back to Dubai and get some rest. Take care, stay tuned, and अब आपको हम दिखाएंगे airport. So I just opened my bag to check. We're at the airport. Everything looks safe and fine, guys. The cheesecake looks good. And by the way, meet Mr. Imran. इन्होंने सारा B-roll किया है. And introduction के लिए best time है because this champion, while doing everything, forgot his bag at the hotel and lobby. And airport is an hour away. So what do you have to say, Mr. Imran?
यार मेरे बगैर ट्रिप पे वो मज़ा नहीं आता. लास्ट मिनट तक मैंने जो एकदम जो है ना सस्पेंस एकदम एपिसोड पे एपिसोड बना के रखा है, तो ऐसा कोई होना चाहिए ट्रिप पे. और बहुत नींद आ रही थी इसलिए मैं अपना लॉबी में छोड़ दिया बैग.
Alright, so बॉय का सामान तो हमारे साथ नहीं जा रहा. एंड थैंक गॉड मैंने इसके बैग में अपना कोई सामान नहीं रखवाया, वरना हमें ना मिलता वो सामान. नाउ हिज बैग इज़ गोना बी ब्रॉट इन बाय बॉस ऑन द फ्लाइट टुमारो. And here we are. I have to keep my cameras off for a bit. See you inside. Okay, so I've found the first leak because it's a brown paper bag and अंदर बर्फ है. So ये सीन है. But I am covered because मैं एक plastic bag भी लेकर आया था. So I'm gonna shift that and going to the gates now. So see you inside. This is what is happening with the cheesecake. I've shifted it to another plastic wrapper so that it doesn't drip or anything. So far so good. It's finally flying out of Turkey and going to Dubai, and then it's gonna stay in the freezer for a while, get more nutritious. So yeah, that's the scene. Alrighty. Flight attendant was nice enough to give me another bag, so our cheesecake are safe. So our cheesecakes are in the freezer now, so we are sorted.
The next day.
Hello. I have an update for you guys, and the update is that fridge खराब हो गया है. Dude, this vlog is just becoming interesting. However, मैंने cheesecake फौरन से move करवा दिया है to another place because apparently इसका जो compressor है वो चलना बंद हो गया है and it was under warranty, so it's gonna go back. लेकिन आज Saturday है, so Sunday कुछ नहीं हो सकता and Monday को या replace होगा या नया compressor आएगा, whatever will happen. So for now the cheesecake is gone out of this fridge to another fridge. बाकी सामान को अब मैं I'm thinking किसी दोस्त के घर डालूंगा. But ये situation है, I don't know, like sorry Shazra if this doesn't make it to Pakistan, but I'm trying my level best. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so our freezer got back into action. So the cheesecakes are here and they're sorted. Yeah, harder like a rock. So let's see Lahore जाके क्या scene बनता है इनका. So far they look fine. I'm going to shift them in a bag when I'm taking them. Alright जी, it's time to go. So I had moved it to another packaging because दो अलग-अलग लेके जाना was really a hassle. अच्छा जी, so ये रहे केक्स जो मैंने एक डब्बे में मूव कर दिए हैं. ये रहे आइस पैक and here is the tape. और अब मैं करने वाला हूँ एक कोशिश of packing it together. So what I wanted to do is done. This ice pack is now equipped and this box has been taped well. So now the finally cheesecakes are going to Lahore. Hello, so the cupcakes पहुंच चुके हैं airport पे and I'm right outside my gate and terminal 2 बहुत छोटा है, so like ज़्यादा कोई सीन नहीं है. So बस मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो and then हम लाहौर पहुँचें. It was my fastest immigration experience at Pakistan this time around because कोई और flight थी ही नहीं. It was one alone flight and I was possibly the second person to get there. And now I am waiting at the luggage area to get my luggage and then we go home. Finally, I was the first one to get the bag today. Second time I'm being that lucky. But off to home, cheesecakes looked fine. मैंने खोल के थोड़ा सा बैग देखा है.
ये खीर है, ये खीर भी खा सकते हो मजे से.
रबड़ी है गिरी.
साइड पर डाल दिया सारा.
गाइस ये चीज़ केक आया है ऑल द वे टर्की से. कितने दिन बाद? 12 दिन बाद. कब ख़रीदा था, किस डेट को ख़रीदा था?
I don't exactly know the date.
And today is 10th of August. I'm going to try this cake. और अगर ये ख़राब हुआ मुझे बहुत अफसोस होगा. But smell से it doesn't smell bad, so I am hoping that this is not going to taste bad.
आपने पहले खाया हुआ है, so what do you think?
मैंने पहले खाया हुआ है, थोड़ा सा चॉकलेट ज़्यादा आ गया. Let me take more of cheesecake.
the cheesecake made it to Pakistan.
It's good.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I mean,
I was successful.
20% शायद टेस्ट में
Compromise हो गया
compromise
because
हुआ
वो frozen पड़ा हुआ है पिछले 15 दिनों से.
but
this cheesecake traveled from Turkey to Dubai to Lahore, and I was able to successfully bring
and
it.
this is my meetha after 2 months.
I don't know.
Cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy. So this journey of the cheesecake ends here. Stay tuned. Take care.
Bye bye.